Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
DRYCODE has exceeded all my expectations with these waterproof work boots. They keep your feet dry and fresh. At the same time, my feet are able to breathe so that I don't feel any sweating. Absolutely, these work boots are worth the investment, especially if you're spending any time outdoors. We can see the difference that they make and how you feel. If your feet are wet, you are miserable. These waterproof boots from DRYCODE keep your feet dry and comfortable and allow you to focus on whatever you're doing instead of your wet feet. They are way more durable than any other regular shoe that I've ever seen, and they're really convenient. They'll work with any condition, especially through tough conditions like construction. I have no doubt that these are definitely going to last and they are well worth it.
And that's my point of view.